Ultimate Evade Secret, outrun every enemy. Discover the sprint and dodge technique, secret paths, and AI blind spots to become unstoppable in Roblox Evade. Ready to sprint and dodge like never before? Start by mastering the sprint and dodge maneuver. Quick turns and precise dodges boost your speed, leaving enemies in the dust. Pro tip: use short bursts and surprise your pursuers. Unlock hidden pathways for quick escapes. These secret routes are your shortcuts to safety, allowing you to outsmart enemies every time. Keep exploring and you'll be the ultimate evade master.
Timing is key, gamers. Knowing when to sprint and when to dodge is crucial. Perfect your timing and stay unpredictable to keep enemies guessing. Remember, the right move at the right time is game-changing. Exploit enemy AI blind spots for easy escapes. Learn their patterns and find the weak points where they can't see you. Stay hidden and make every escape a breeze. It's all about strategy, my friends.
Obstacles are your best friends in Roblox Evade. Use them to block enemy paths and gain distance quickly. Mastering obstacle use can make or break your escape plan. Practice makes perfect.
Final pro tip: perfect your timing in practice zones. Hone your skills and become unstoppable. With dedication and practice, outrunning any enemy will be a piece of cake.
Unleash your inner pro. Try these tips in your next game and comment if they worked. Don't forget to subscribe for more hidden Roblox secrets and become the ultimate evade champion.